Hi. This video is for group admins on Skills Builder Benchmark. Depending on your setting, group admins are usually mentors, tutors or line managers, and we're going to show you how to get learners to join your group on this platform. Once you are logged in, click the Manage Groups tab. In the Group Code column, double-click the code for the group you want to invite your learners to. To avoid mistakes, use copy and paste to share this with your learners, for example in an email. Make sure there aren't any spaces before or after the code. Ideally, your learners would also use copy and paste at their end too. Learners can then go to Benchmark and click their name in the top right corner of their dashboard. By clicking Manage My Groups, they can enter the code you've given them and join your group. Once they've joined, you can click the View button, and their name should appear in the list in alphabetical order. All done! Thanks for watching how to get learners to join your group on Skills Builder Benchmark.